Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Brother CS6000i sewing machine. For the money, it offers a lot more features than other beginner-compatible machines, including an LCD screen, an impressive 60 stitches and 9 presser feet, including a walking foot and quilting foot, which is more often seen on pricier machines. This sewing machine is ideal for amateurs who want to focus more on their fabric than operating the machine. Let's watch more about this sewing machine.
Are you ready to enter the world of computerized sewing? Then get ready for the Brother CS6000i. The CS6000i includes many of the desirable features that are found in most Brother sewing machines. An automatic needle threader, an automatic buttonholer, and a quick-set drop-in bobbin. But with the CS6000i, you get even more. An LCD screen for stitch selection, a start-stop button for easy operation without the foot pedal, sewing speed controller that allows you to select your sewing speed, making it as fast or slow as you like, 60 built-in stitches, 7 styles of one-step buttonholes, a number of quilting and sewing accessories, including 7 presser feet, and even a protective hardcover. The one-touch start, stop, and reverse operations allow sewing without the included foot control. Though quite powerful, you'd be surprised how quiet this machine is. Beginners and seasoned seamstresses alike love the LCD screen. See how easy and quick stitch selection is when you use the simple push buttons located beside the LCD screen. That's right, no more turning dials, and it's now easier than ever to change your stitches. You'll find that the LCD screen is almost like having a personal sewing guide. Just take a look. If you are using the automatic buttonhole function and you happen to set it up incorrectly, an error message quickly reads on the screen and prevents a mistake in your project. The screen also tells you exactly which foot to use, so there is no need for guesswork. Wind the bobbin quickly using the bobbin winding system. Inserting the bobbin is exceptionally easy. The bobbin drops in, but you don't have to draw up the lower thread because of the quick-set drop-in bobbin system. The Brother CS6000i boasts 60 built-in utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, each with multiple stitch functions, which means you can multiply your creative options. The super wide 7mm zigzag stitch makes a great embellishment stitch for home crafts and garments. One of the best features of this machine is the full set of accessories you get, which all stow away neatly in the built-in storage compartment. The included feet, which can help you with almost any project, include a buttonhole foot used to create the 7 styles of built-in buttonholes, an overcasting foot, which is perfect for creating a flat, professional-looking finished edge and prevents raveling. A monogramming foot partners well with many of the built-in decorative stitches in the CS6000i. A zigzag foot is the standard sewing foot that is used for most general sewing. A zipper foot makes zipper insertion fast and easy. A blind stitch foot for creating blind hems in garments and home deck items, and a button sewing foot. There are bonus accessories such as a walking foot for easy, accurate stitching of slippery fabrics or multiple layers, a quilt guide to create precise, evenly spaced quilting lines, and a spring-action quilting foot for darning, free-motion quilting, or embroidery. And finally, the included oversized table is perfect for quilting and large sewing projects. So, if you're looking for affordable computerized sewing with loads of flexibility, check out the Brothers CS6000i.
Our second best sewing machine for beginners is Singer 4423 sewing machine. Beginners who want something that's a little speedier and tougher than other inexpensive sewing machines will want to check out the Singer 4423. It has stronger than usual motor, which can crank out an impressive 1100 stitches per minute. It features 23 built-in stitches and a one-step buttonhole and includes 4 presser feet. Though the Singer is certainly capable of speed, it has plenty of musts for beginners, including an automatic needle threader, top-loading bobbin and dial controls. There are also a couple of extras including adjustable thread length and a clear case for storage or travel. Users say it's especially ideal for anyone who wants to work on thicker or more rugged fabric like upholstery. The best thing is the Singer has a sewing assistant app to help speed the learning process. Number 3 in our list is Brother XM2701 sewing machine. Experts say the Brother XM2701 is just right for beginners, and most seem to think it hits a sweet spot in terms of features, price and ease of use. This mechanical sewing machine includes 27 built-in stitches, a one-step buttonhole and 6 presser feet, all of which give beginners a few more options without being too overwhelming. This compact brother has several beginner-friendly features, including a dial control stitch selector, a top-loading automatic winding bobbin, an automatic needle threader, and a free arm that makes cuffs, sleeves and other curved fabrics easier to handle. A hard case is available separately for anyone who wants to travel with the machine nor add additional protection for storage. It also comes with an instructional DVD. Our fourth pick is Singer 1304 Start Sewing Machine. Do you want something tiny but mighty for travel? Do you plan on introducing a child to sewing but want a smaller scale, more budget-friendly machine to do it? In both cases, the Singer 1304 might be the answer. This mechanical machine has just 6 built-in stitches, including 1 4-step buttonhole and 3 included presser feet. This Singer has preset stitch length and width, a feature that might be too limiting for advanced sewers, but one that's perfect for a true beginner who doesn't want to get bogged down in too many settings. There is a simple-to-use dial stitch selector, an included threading diagram, a free arm and an automatic bobbin winder. Buyers can even participate in a free online owners class that covers setup, operation, and how to sew basics such as hems, buttons and zippers. Number 5 in our best beginners sewing machine list is Singer HeavyDuty 4411. If you stitch heavy materials such as denim, canvas or make quilts often and looking for a reliable, durable and budget-friendly heavy-duty sewing machine, Singer 4411 is one of the best machines that will fit in your requirement. It comes with 60% more powerful motor than other comparable heavy-duty sewing machine. It can stand all types of fabrics with ease. This sewing machine comes with 11 built-in stitches that include decorative and basic stitches and 1 buttonhole. With its 1,100 stitches per minute stitching speed and powerful motor, this sewing machine is capable of beating any other heavy-duty sewing machine. Let's watch more about Singer HeavyDuty 4411.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!